Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on Noah Gocek. Yep, I finally got the next gen clutch A as a diecast, and I did say in my 1/43 scale of the review I would be doing an unboxing review when I get one, if I get one, and here we are. Anyways, I'd like to apologise for my camera tries, focus and cars in the background, or flex itself for any blisters which we do have here today. So without further ado, I'd like to start the review of Noah Gocek. Here is Noah Gocek. He is part of the Next Generation series in the Cars Blue Desert series line. Here is his artwork. Very nice picture of Noah Gocek. Got the Cars logo here with this blue stripe. And the Next Gen logo again. Very nice. Got the name Noah Gocek down here. Of course the diecast which we will be looking at. On the back we have got other releases coming soon. Of course it says, the description reads, will the impressive Next Gen racers break Lightning McQueen's winning streak? The answer is no, because Cruz Ramirez takes over Lightning McQueen and they win the race. The Florida 500. We've got other cars here of Chris Roman, Cam Spinner, Danny Suarez, Buck Brownlee, of course, all those. We got cars, re-releases of cars coming out. Harvey Bobcat, which I'm really looking forward to. Conrad Campbell, which I'm not looking forward to. Paul Conrev and Ryan Inside Langley, which are very nice. Of course, we've got the hazards there at the bottom and the RSN logo. So yeah, and of course it is made by Mattel. So without further ado, let's start the review and unboxing. I was actually going to keep this guy in the box, but I thought, as I'm going to be the second YouTuber I should say, to review this. There we go. There's Noah Gocek, and put that on the floor down there. There's his name tag. Of course the name tags have these little hook things going up on both sides nowadays. So, this is a first impression of the car. Well, wow. Wow. Look at it. He's the Next Gen Clutch Aid racer. Of course, we will compare him to the Disney Store version over here. Let's just take a look at the Clutch Aid racer. So, as I get a message on my phone. So, anyways, here he is. We've got the fuel cap here. We've got these nice green Next Gen rims. We got the plus symbol here for the clutch aid. Very nice that they kept the plus. We got the normal sponsors, Carbon Cyber Synergy, Piston Cup. Very grainy, because this is Thailand. Got a 121 here. We got a little arrow to the pity where to lift the car up when it comes in for a pit stop. Got exhaust pipes there. Very nice. Next gen there. Here is the front of the diecast. Very nice. We've got a nice expression. We've got the fenders on the side. We've got the lights at the top. We've got a little moustache there too. Here is the front. We've got a plus symbol there with the plus symbols on the hood in the colour blue. Very nice. We've got these grainy Thailand eyes. On the top we've got a 121 with the roof flaps which you can feel, and the window bars which also you can feel as well. We've got a spoiler, which I will be comparing to some other Next Gens which has the same spoiler in a bit. Very nice. Here is the back. We've got headlights. We've got a plus symbol there in the middle as well. Got 121 on here. This side, and we've got that there, because there's clutch aid, I just had to check. We've got the rookie stripes, because of course Noah Gocek is a rookie. Here is the base if you're interested. Week 37, made in factory A. So very nice, because we've got ribbits there to hold it down. Comparing it to the Disney Store version, of course, as you can see, the Disney Store did get the spoiler wrong, which is now my second most viewed on my channel. That's very nice. And the window bars are a little bit different. Of course, here we have the front. Different darker colour greens. Metallic rims. Very nice. No rookie stripes, which is one good feature I like about the Disney stores. So you can have Noah Gocek without and with rookie stripes. I'll always go with the Mattel diecast over Disney store. Of course, this is the pullback. Very nice. Yeah, comparing Noah Gocek to actual cars with the same spoiler now. We got Ronald from the 2019 series. Of course, you can see the same spoiler. We have Dan Kaskia, which has a similar spoiler as you can see here. We also have Eric Baker or Spiky Phillips. We know it's an Eric Baker, but Mattel seems to mess their names up. Very nice. Of course, that is all the next gens with the same spoiler, I believe. But here is Chase Racelot, just the same green colour. You can see that's green, that's like a metallic green. As my dog starts to decide to bark, thank you dog, with the pencil out the way. And you see green and green, two different colour greens. Very nice. Now let's compare him to the whole of the Clutch Aid team. We got Kevin Shiftwright. Probably got that wrong. That's the Cars On Racer. Then we've got Dino Drafsky. Very nice, of course. See the evolution here, but the next gen, and of course, yep. Very nice. And of course we also got the scavenger hunt version of Dino here in the metallic blue paint. So let me know in the comments below, which is your favourite version of Noah Gocek. Let's try and see if we can get all these in here. I haven't got a really big review station unlike Disney Docket or other people. But yeah, I think I'm the second person to review this. The first one is Rev Rovages 90 or whatever his name is. Go check his channel out. Yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification down below. Until the next one, bye guys.